Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 10th day of October 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. This is a trade taken in the room by myself and others as well. So here we go. The setup is usual. Actually, the market was really hot today. So instead of trading the NASDAQ, we're going to trade the S&P 500. Four tick horizontals. So every four ticks is still $50, the same on NQ, but the much lower PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 30 and 40 ticks long. So we'll pair our ATM to that. We'll go for 8 tick first targets, 16 tick second targets, and 32 tick runner. And this is how it all went down. Now, we started this candle a little early. We're already 17 seconds into it, and we've had a really nice retrace. So we're going to go ahead and put our order right underneath the candles, and we're just going to let it go. And this is how it all went down. We need to maybe push it up to 2. I want to make sure all our contracts get picked up just like it did in the live trading room. So we're only going to go 2 times the speed of the market. And once we get picked up, put our stop where it belongs, then we'll speed it up a little bit. So nice retrace, nice failure. Everything we're looking for. We have a strong candle indicator. That's what we always use in these trades of the day. First thing I got to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is up here. We have an 8 tick first target, 16 tick second target, and a 32 tick third target. And now we can speed it up a bit since all of our targets are out there. We'll go to 4 times speed of the market. Now touch the target to see 8s are out, so our stop is now at a -6. We have de-risked the trade. If it comes back and takes us out at -6, we just go ahead and re-enter again. So we'll get another order ready just in case. Whoop, wrong way. Get another order ready just in case. There we go. That's what happened in the room. We just re-enter. Again, put our stop where it belongs, and we try it again. That's what our stop does. It keeps us. Yep, 2 targets are out now. So 16s, 8s and 16s are out. That's a pretty big last target. It's going to take another candle to get there. And let's see how far we go. Now, once it hits the S1, we're going to move our stop all the way down. So if it doesn't take us out at 31s, pretty sure it took us out at 32s. Again, it's just 4 times the speed of the market. So the market went a lot slower than this. Just got to be patient with this sometimes. There are Fibonacci reasons why it stopped down here, but the market's moving so fast, even for ES standards. Got no reason to get out of the trade. If we want to, we can go ahead and put our stop over the last candle. At least we'll get something out of that third target. I'm pretty sure we got full targets out of this. So let's just see how it runs down. Now, again, if we want to put our last target at the S1, it got everything, all targets paid. It did take 2.5 candles to get there, so about 12 minutes for this all to go down, and it was worth 875 US dollars. It took about 12.5 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 875 US dollars in 12.5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, the only place where you can find the strong candle indicators, which makes it so much easier to trade. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.